is very crucial, and we do appreciate the valuable airtime that you're giving to this. Would also like to say a big thank you to our friends at the Multimedia Group. The Multimedia Group also have accepted to support this course. As we go along, we will be duly acknowledging, and as we go along and as we build up to the celebration proper, we will be acknowledging support in different kinds and forms that is coming or that will come in from different entities, different individuals, and different organizations to ensure the successful celebration of this. And yameka swallow be what ye be san ye be ene you all was mo wofo no fan no kuku be no ni fan na wie ye be agi ake be afine homowo ni wo yo eji noko ni noko fefe oko fitai eja ake be beneho alo blema be kuneho wocheme kume ete amehu amenye ame afatahi ame anye hie ni ayi homowo shibe afine ni gadi enche ifena ni ke hi wochi nya kuna me akwe ni atunie na afi kusuwe na efe fel shimoe je ake taflache be aya keke be ya na ya ahie no konika wo hie alo hie no kamoko alo nichumo krede ko na ba atu keji aba na ba tashi ni iba tashi ni ayi homowo alo atu na ka kusuwe ye UK ni noji ake be woke wonyemme ke wonyanyume ni yo United Nations alo UNESCO waka menchaya ni waka menchakpa koni wokwe koni wo jie homo keje wo shihlemni eja ake ye kusu na noji noni homo wo ba ni ibakwe iwo ka ke homo wo be a wo homo yi iwo be wo nichumomi ke kusu eni wa atumi isani wo ha ni wono fe no fe momi alo woni wo wie momi ke wono fe no fe momi wo ba akwe koni wo kechu na ka nichumo koni wona ake wajie homo keje wote ye GaDangme ukpa no iwo benye fenye yuradon wonupa ike kui ni ameke amehiwale iba ni ameke bafata wohe alo ameke nchiwo ise kuni wonye wo chu nekeni chumone niji homo wo UK 2024 amefe ameyuradon iwo be ni wo ya ni wo ba na efe wo ba smo ni wo cha megbe ni wo ba flame ye bemi be akpa eja ke be boni balene sani wokwe kuni mo fe mo aya adafe twa he kuni nichumo akenmekpa no ahawo iwo benye fe nya yuradon ini wokehye wo basmo woche wonye niji Justice Julia na yale aje amwa kuni le hu wiemo ni fo no kukue alo wiemo ni ji oni fo no kuni ikeba ni ikeba ngmashi nyefa na nya wo twa wodi wale.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests and members of the press. A lot has been said, so I don't have to say much. Thank God we have a very eloquent MC, and he makes sure he says everything, leaves nothing to be said. But what I'm going to say is, I want to acknowledge once again the initiator of this program, So you.